Goodbye.
I'm in public, dude.
I don't care. I'm conducting an investigation.
Feel free.
And you are butting in.
I'm not butting in. I'm standing over here being quiet.
So you need to
I'm
walk
standing
away.
over here being quiet.
Now.
I didn't say one word.
Now, walk away.
Where?
Wherever you please, as long as you ain't here messing with my investigation.
This is where I please.
Alright folks, welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. This video is called Presumed Authority Turns into Unbridled Power Real Quick. The location of this video happened in Dundalk, Maryland on September 27th, 2022. The department involved is the Baltimore County Police Department from Precinct 12 in Dundalk. The officer in this video is Officer Leary, badge number 5719. The link to the video and channel will be in the description and in the pinned comments, so make sure you guys go check this out. The name of the channel is called Baltimore County Observer, and the name of his video is called Cop Threatens Citizen Journalist. So what happens in this video, folks? You're going to see a good cop and a bad cop. And the only reason I say good cop is because he didn't mess with the man. He didn't bother with him. He didn't tell him to go across the street or move back. He actually walks by and kindly greets the videographer. Now what happens with the other cop? He loses it when a neighbor starts talking to the videographer, and what does that cop do? He doesn't tell the neighbor, hey, it's his right to record, leave him alone. No, he walks up to the videographer and he starts demanding that he leaves the area. This officer is extremely aggressive, and this is why these channels exist, because we need to see police officers out there behaving professionally, up to par with their policies. Alright folks, so without further ado, let's check out this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. It's going to be a good one, folks. Here we go.
How you doing?
Yeah,
Good.
Why are you recording us?
Because I can. Just documenting.
Hey, Dummy, don't disrespect my mother while the police out here, bro.
I'm not disrespecting anybody.
Don't do that, bro. Because y'all was just not out here, bro. Don't get your feelings hurt, bro.
Please go away. I'm done not recording.
You a grown-ass man, bro. Don't get your feelings hurt. Listen.
Bro, she's in public.
Bro, don't get your feelings hurt. I'm telling you right now, because now you're interfering.
I'm not interfering. Interfering is a physical act.
You're taking my attention away from the
No,
people
that's your problem, dude. That's not my
You
problem.
need to walk away.
Am I in public?
Walk
Am I in
away.
public?
Just walk away.
Am I in public,
So
yes
I
or
can
no?
Talk to them.
You can talk to
are.
them. I'm not stopping you.
You are.
I'm not stopping you.
But hindering
Feel
is a whole
free.
different thing. Walk away.
Is that a lawful order?
Yes,
Is that a lawful order?
lawful order.
What's your
Now
badge number?
Walk away.
What's your name and badge
Officer
number?
Leary, goodbye before you land in handcuffs. Did I stutter?
Where's the police tape?
Are you trying to be a Karen, bro? Go ahead and let him do his job.
He can do his job.
No, like, why you
I'm not
turn
stopping
around
him.
And walk away before I lock you up. Now, go. Go.
I'm going.
Keep going.
I'm going.
Because if you get my attention away from there one more time, you're going to jail.
For what?
Hindering.
Hindering?
Yes. Goodbye.
I'm in public, dude.
I don't care. I'm conducting an investigation.
Feel free.
And you are butting in.
I'm not
and
butting
yelling
in.
at the people
I'm
I
standing
need to
over
talk
here
to.
being
So
quiet.
you need to
I'm
walk
standing
away.
over here being quiet. I
Now.
didn't say one word.
Now, walk away.
Where?
Wherever you please, as long as you ain't here messing with my investigation.
This is where I please.
Watching this video makes me wonder why the cop is walking up to the man behaving so aggressively towards him. Let me ask you guys something. Who said something to who first? The neighbor across the way was yelling at the videographer. That officer did not tell the videographer nothing at all until the other guy started saying something. So why didn't the other officer go and say something to the other guy? The truth is, police officers don't like to be on camera. That is the bottom line to it, folks. There's no conspiracy here. That's the bottom line truth. Cops do not like being on camera if they're bad cops. We have seen plenty of officers out there who absolutely do not mind being on camera. This cop is not one of them. Keep watching, folks. All right, folks, one area where I can hang my head high is the fact that I go out of my way to make sure that you guys know who these newer channels are. A lot of times I work behind the scenes. You guys don't see what I do sometimes. I talk to a lot of folks. I try to teach them how to edit. I try to teach them the ins and out of YouTube, you know, things that I've gone through, trial and error. That way a lot of folks don't have to go through the same stuff that I went through. That, folks, has taken a lot of my time. I think what I'm going to do is start making some videos and teach you guys. And when you guys ask me questions, I will just direct you to those videos. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys want me to help you with first? Let me know in the comments section. And please don't say help me with my channel, because that's like the first thing that I always do anyways. I try to get folks to go subscribe to your channels. That way you can have support of the people, folks. What I don't want to do is share a video, get hundreds of thousands of views, and not get you any support. Because you are not only important to me, folks, you are extremely important to your communities. Your people need you. And so I'm not only doing this for you, I'm doing this for your people in your communities. Sure, it's nice to fill up the pockets on views and all that stuff. That's not where I pat myself on the back, folks. I pat myself on the back when your channels grow as well. When I go over to your channels and I see San Joaquin sent me, SJVT sent me, that's when I truly understand that my work is paying off. With that being said, folks, I want you guys to go subscribe to Baltimore County Observer. This guy doesn't have a lot of videos, but the videos that he does have, they're really good. I think you guys are going to appreciate this channel. So without further ado, I want you guys to go over to Baltimore County Observer. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. Let them know you're there to support like you have supported many of us. Real quick before I go, I want to say rest in peace to Jay Lopez, aka Jay Surreal Camera. He had an amazing YouTube channel. You guys can go binge watch his work. He recently passed away, and he was a friend of mine. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to my channel, because you don't want to miss the next video that I'm working on. It's going to be a big one. All right, folks, have yourselves a blessed day. Keep yourselves safe. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.